Okay, this is Software Incorporated. Alpha 11.7.62. We're going to use a mod for this, Expanse, which adds new content including software, hardware, companies, and personalities, and reworks existing software types while staying faithful to the original game style and balance. That's what matters to me. I don't like necessarily changing a game completely until I've really beat the game, which my last company was 1.2 billion, and I never did hardware, and that was pure vanilla game. So we're going to do a new game. I'm going to go ahead and be a male. Looks fine. I have to enable the mod, which added a new video thing here. I'll do a random. Raise my programmer and designer to about there. I have a plan. I don't want any hardware. I want audio. All audio. And 2D. And I'll take you out of there and put you there. Take these two out of video. Because I don't really plan on doing video with this guy. That's what the mod adds. Can I take something? No, I have to put something back there. All right. And you go there. All right, so we got development. Leader is fine, I guess. And I want no law. I'll go into file bug reports, handle 2 support tickets. Let's do that. Should have gone into marketing, but whatever. Gotta change my name to Any Mouse. Company name. Alright, we'll just do that. There's a backstory to this. Long time ago. We're gonna try it on hard. That changed my funds, starting funds down to 10,000. I got a plan, so I'm not worried about it. I don't know if the plan will work. But considering I'm actually recording this time, it might. I'm not going to take a loan. We're going to keep days at 1 day per month. Okay, so total obscurity software. Pick the map, start at the garage. A long time ago, I had a speculative fiction e-zine that I designed and had people submit their stories to. It ran for 3 issues, so 6 months. I did all the design. It was also the first e-zine on the scene. This is like almost pre-internet. It was like it was basically at the time of public access to internet. I remember I was getting it from Triax in Portland, Oregon. Triax company. But I was the first e-zine to exclusively release in PDF format. And I used a bunch of illegal programs for that. But that's beside the matter. That was a long time ago. Developers, please listen to this next part. I gotta build. I gotta place furniture. My day has started. What's going on? What's going on? I'll make a table. I can't. It has to be inside. What the You gotta look here. I'm on the first floor, which is the roof. Every single time I started a new game, which was me learning this very simple but complex game, I had that issue. So please, just start all maps at 0 level. Okay, so let's get a chair, which is actually a table, and a chair. I don't really like it there because it's hard to do. I have no idea why. And we'll do that. I need a calculator. What's our luck? So I'll figure that out later. Where's my calculator? Calculator boosts lead programmer, mainly programmer, designer, and service. Only 1 item per table. Yeah, what's our lux? 166. Let's just snap a bunch of lamps here. Now we're up 400 lux. All right. We're ready for the day. Let's get this started. Grab bad quality. Bad quality only requires me. Bad quality. You know, I bet I'm going to try all 4 of these. Now it says waiting because it's going to take a little while. Because the first day isn't really technically... Oh, it is the first day. So I have 1 month left, which means I have this today, which is February, and the next month. It has to be done at the end of next month. Ooh, this might be a bit much to handle. Might have made a mistake on taking 4. Luckily, that's bad quality. I had a couple more. It'd be nice to get 2 iterations of each program and then freaking... No, I gotta develop everything. Alright, I should have only done 3. Yeah, because it's gonna take me to make up for my development cost. I didn't get the second iteration. I need to really get these things up. Alright, game assets you can promote and finish. Outstanding quality. There we go. Because I'm going to continue with my actual project as soon as I get all the way up here. I don't know why. That's what I'm going to do. Outstanding quality. Oh, nope. You gotta promote to do some bug fixing, and I'll release this at the end of the day, and these will both be outstanding quality. Should be somewhere in the 2nd star range. This is my graph. Monthly profit. You know, the funny thing about this game, it's still in early access. I just bought it today. And yes, I did play it for 4 days prior to today, but I actually bought it today. I got drunk one night and started on Steam. I went to Steam Friends Reviews. He has like 50 reviews on... Because this guy buys practically everything on Steam. He has that kind of cash. Oh yeah, see, it's this month it's due. So as soon as the next day comes, I'll get penalized. How much will I get penalized? Penalty for not being on time, 4,120. Finish and finish. Outstanding, outstanding. That's outstanding. So this guy reviewed this game way back in 2016. Let's do 3 logistics. Mediocre, horrible. Let's do a horrible, a bad, and a bad. Yeah, we can do those 3. Oh, crap. Oh, fuck. We're paused. Good. Am I going to get penalized? Yeah. Oh, shit. I can't do 4. What do you... Oh, that was a mistake. Mediocre. Mediocre and mediocre. Minimum progress 24. You want 30. All right, I'll try it. Oh, what a mistake. Well, can't call the cleaning lady. Anyways, he doesn't like a lot of games. He reviewed this one back in 2016, and it was the most glowing review. I mean, I'm like, seriously, dude? You love this game that much? So I managed to get my hands on it, and I wasn't sure about it. And then I started getting into it and understanding it. And this, for 14 bucks, 1501 after tax. All right. You got your second iterations done. Develop, 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 and develop. It occurred to me as I was playing the game, see, this guy is now developing his own game. And from what he was telling me about that game, I see where some of his inspiration is coming from. This game is his inspiration. And so after I was playing this for a few days, I wanted to find something that was kind of like it, but in a different genre, not necessarily software. There isn't. Theme Hospital was, no, not into that. Two Peak Hospital, not into that. Jurassic World, I'm gonna be looking into that. This Jurassic World 2 is coming out this year. That should be interesting. But I'm not really ready. This game, I sat on my couch with my wireless trackpad, played the whole thing with my mouse. Okay, Jurassic World. I actually have to sit in the chair and use the keyboard. I don't want to send it for review. I want to promote you, and we'll finish that. Outstanding quality. Great. Finish that. Outstanding quality. That's super. And we'll finish these when he walks out that door, and I'm going to go ahead and call cleaning and IT. IT might show up and actually sit out there waiting for me to get my ass off the chair. Oh, crap. Pause. Finish, outstanding quality, and outstanding quality. I'm barely getting anything here. Is that what hard and medium is going to affect? How fast I can actually start the game? Okay, so when I get to 150,000, I'll pick the video back up from there. I'm about ready to do my own project. I just realized something. I took these two projects on. I thought, hey, no problem. Well, here's the thing. Yeah, they're both mediocre, so I want to give them 2 iterations, but I got a problem because it's already 11:35 a.m. This requires 2 designers, while this requires 2 programmers. And I'm mainly, this is 2D and system, and 2D and system. Can't remember colors. All right. So this is mainly programming with design and system, and I'm not that great at system. And this is mainly design at 2D, which I'm fantastic at, and programming. So while this iteration is going fast, it's going to slow down in programming, I'm guessing. This is going slow in design, but it should... I don't know. I'm going to do 2 months on these suckers. Well, 1 month left. So today, hopefully I'll get the iterations done. And then tomorrow, I can program it, bug fix it, and release it? I don't know. Okay, so I'll tell you what. This is what I'm kind of interesting. I know iterations, each iteration, I got to change my mouse cursor back to the regular size, positively impacts potential quality and how quickly bugs appear. So I'll go ahead and develop this one, which City Sausage only requires 38.1. We'll try to get it to, oh hell, I don't know. We'll just see what's what. I want 2 iterations on this. Ooh. Yeah, see, it starts getting a little bit more difficult. Or time consuming. Because these are, how much for this? Payout 10 grand, payout 11 grand. And I already got my starting bonuses. Alright. Let's just see how this progresses through the day, since everything's due today. Oh wait, how much do you, your bare minimum, and your bare minimum 38.1, 47.3. Okay, you have until 3 p.m. and then you've got to bug fix, and we'll take the crap. Oh, what's our reward? Make 50,000 from contracts. Ergonomic chair. Nice. And a yoga ball. I tried a yoga ball before. The person immediately complained their chair was uncomfortable. Okay, these all reset because... Well, yeah. I got rid of the other copy of the game to use the legal game, and I just want to let everybody know. Every single game I play on my channel, I have legally purchased. Let's go ahead and promote this and promote this, because some of these places I find these games at, because I want to test them out. I don't have a whole lot of money to throw around. People post their YouTube videos in the comment sections of these games, and they're making money off of it. And they stole the fucking game. That pisses me off. Alright, so we'll bug fix till you get up and stomp away through your dirt and filth. Alright, and finish inadequate quality. And outstanding quality. So, yeah, there you go. Alright, now my plan. It has been developed. I'm recording, right? Yeah, okay. I'm going to do... Oh god, there's so much that this mod adds. I'm going to go with my old standby audio tool. I don't want an interface. I want audio codecs. What's VST integration? And 71 2 years. MIDI input. 93% for 3 years. Consumer reach 1.6 million. I don't have to pay for an interface, I don't think. Requires... Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Not gonna do a framework. Oh, I am gonna have to pay royalties. Licensing cost $731. Fuck me. What if I make my own hickamajiggy? How long will that take? 2D editor, and then I can make my audio. System, I want raw image import. And image codecs. I don't have any network. This is all... Yeah. Plugin support. 66%. There. 2 years. I got raw image import, plugin support, and drawing tablet support. And this is for a 2D editor, which means hopefully I can get licenses that people will pull this product and use it as a shortcut to do these functions in their program. That would be awesome. So, yeah, we'll stick with that price. It's an original IP. Ink Point. No, because I'm mainly putting it as an asset package. Yeah, Print Pro, Final Maker. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, so wasted interest is only 9%. Advanced, we are our 2D editor. I'm going to make it a clear $80. Oops, I can't do that because that will mute my mic, and then I'll forget about it. What do we got for operating systems? Yeah, I'll go on Lion. Can I actually fit next thing? 3 years. Let's remove you, and yeah, we'll just go on Lion 3. Maybe port it, if depending on what happens in the 2 years. Hopefully, I should have enough money to skate by. Hopefully, nothing burns down. Let's auto balance. We are at 100% and 9%, so it's not drawing. I don't know what they're going to consider this. All right, let's develop this. Size of the team, I know. Boom. Now the key, how fast am I going through iterations? I want 4 iterations. 2D is my weak point. I don't know if I'll be able to get 4 iterations. But I got an idea about that. I'll give it 3 months worth of iterations, I think. Okay, I'll do 2 iterations. And then How much am I losing a month? Oh, I'm not losing anything. $400. You can click and drag this line. Yeah. Some inventory broke. Oh, crap. Everything's smoking. I guess I should probably hire maintenance and everybody. There you go. Stop smoking on me and clean up the floor. What was I looking at? Yeah. And the IT is going to wait till I get my lazy ass out of the seat so they can sit down and do their stuff. So, okay. $400 in staff. So that just cost me $400 to hire those people. And I'll finish this at 2 iterations. My 2D, the 2D is weak on this one. What? I should be... There's no art. Maybe it's just doing the system. I wish this filter thing would go away. Because I've never used it. Oh, okay, that's just to show what's there. And I've never used it. Of course, I only had a 1.2 billion company. Deer! Deer! And ducks! What is this, Townsend, Washington? I think that's the place where deer actually have the right of way. Alright, so... yeah, we're in April. What was I looking at? Yeah, I have 2D, so it must... That's what's kind of lagging. I mean, I'm fully spec'd out in design. My system sucks, so... Well, it doesn't suck. It's just not that great. Oh, I can train. What do I want to train for? Any mouse. You can educate multiple. Don't care. System design. Well, let's go ahead and... He's going to skip a month, so it'll be July when he's back to tapping away. I'll go ahead and call you 3. And maybe I'll do 4 iterations. That way it's better received and less bugs. What's our calendar looking like? Adventure game, Final Maker 3... Oh, well, we're the Sweet. I'm going to change the name. There we go. Lazy 2D. That's who I'm projecting it to the companies that are too lazy to develop their own interface for 2D raw image import and tablet use, which is kind of early for that. And whatever else I put into this stupid thing. That's kind of something I haven't figured out. Like, I don't have a server. I can't see. No, I've never made projects. I can't see like what I put into this software. I know raw image import. I think something about assets and tablet. But it's once it's in this, how do I figure that out? So yeah, it's July now because I got my training. Deals. Nobody liked my reception because I never built my own thing. Crap. I mean, where? Yeah, so we're going to go ahead, get this up to 4 iterations.